smoke with me. Okay. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat.
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this beauty supply store synthetic wig. I've had it for a long time. I actually made a video of me installing it, like before I cut the lace, like fresh out the box type stuff, but I deleted it because the lighting was trash. So yeah, that video was recorded like months ago. I just never posted it because I did not like the lighting at the time. I didn't have a ring light, so I didn't want to post it because again, the lighting was trash. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful wig. It is from the beauty supply store. I unfortunately don't have the packaging for this wig anymore, so I can't even tell you guys the name of the wig and what brand it is and stuff like that. But I really like this wig. It's black, of course, it's synthetic. I think it can take heat. I haven't put any heat to it because I just like the curls that are already in it. This is how the wig came straight out the box. I just brushed the curls out some because it was giving just a little bit too much for me. But yeah, it came layered like this already. The only lace on this wig is this much going across the front, and then this is the only part that you can make in a wig. As y'all can see, it's nice and visible. At first it wasn't because I had to pluck it some more. I put a little bit of my Fit Me powder on the part, and I just made some little baby hair right there too. Y'all not gonna see over here because I did not lay this wig down on this side, because there's no point, because I'm taking this wig off after today anyway. I did lay it down in the front and on this side because I have the hair tucked behind my ear. But yeah, I like this hair. It does tangle. Again, it's synthetic, so this isn't one of them type of synthetic wigs that you can wear overnight. You gotta take this thing off at the end of the night. But yeah, it also does shed some, not too much. The shedding is not crazy at all. But yeah, I love how full the wig is. I love the curls. I love everything about this wig. The wig was a little bit longer, believe it or not. But this is so y'all can see the curls from the back. It's very much giving. But yeah, like I was saying, the wig was a little bit longer. I did cut it to like, yeah, right here, like mid chest length. It was probably like a little under my chest, but I cut it because I didn't want it that long. I really wanted to cut it shorter, but my mom told me no, so I'm gonna leave it like this. But yeah, let me stop rambling. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video. Y'all know I post videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Also, Vlogmas is coming up. I don't know if I'm gonna be participating in it yet because I've never done Vlogmas, Vlogtober, none of that. I'm just starting my YouTube career / journey, so I'm not quite sure if I'll participate. But if I do, I'm gonna do either weekly vlogs or I might do the everyday vlog thing. I don't know. We'll see what my storage is really talking about before we get into that. But yeah, if I do it, I'll let y'all know. Also, don't forget to follow all my... I know my ring light did not just go off. Like I was saying, don't forget to follow all my social medias. They'll either be somewhere up on the screen during the video or either down in the description bar down below. So this is basically how the wig turned out. I went ahead and put some eyebrows on and some lashes on and some lip liner and lip gloss on off camera. But yeah, this is how it came out. Mind y'all, like I said in the beginning, this is a beauty supply store wig. It is synthetic. Unfortunately, I do not know the name of the wig or any of that because I threw away the packaging. Y'all already know. But yeah, I really like this wig. I don't wear it often because it's not one of the wigs that you can wear every day because it's synthetic and curly synthetic wigs. You got to take real good care of because if not, it's all downhill from there. But this is what it looks like from the back one more time. It's very much given, I don't know, but it's definitely given something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.